Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sima's Food and Confectionery. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, you have this. I really appreciate. So in today's recipe, we are making peanuts. That is burger. Some people call it burger. So let's get started. Thank you. Like I said earlier, we are making peanuts. Some people call it burger. So we are going to make use of a bowl. This is water at room temperature, egg, this is flour, and this is our peanuts. I've already sun dried it. I've used hot water with salt to just soak it for like 5 minutes and rinse it and go and spread it to dry under the sun. So this is the outcome. So we are going to make use of it. So we are going to start by mixing our wet ingredients. So I'm going to break in the egg inside the bowl. So I'm going to beat it. Then I'm going to add sugar and water. So, but if you are the type that doesn't like egg in your diet, you can only mix sugar and water together. You get as your wet ingredients. So that is it. Or better still, you can only use only sugar and egg. So why I add water so that the mixture will be enough. We'll have enough liquid for the coating of the peanuts. You can as well use only eggs and sugar. So why I add water in case you want to use it as a side hustle, at least you after everything you still see something from it. You get, so that is it. So you beat it until everything is mixed together. You have a homogeneous mixture. As you can see right here. So let me add a pinch of salt. So add your groundnut or your peanuts inside a bowl, a clean bowl. You just scoop in your wet ingredients. You shake, then you add your dry ingredients. It is forming already. It's coating. It's coating. this now is forming. It's forming. Add your dry one. In case you see some of them that is sticking together, you separate them. So did you see now some have cut very well. So you continue the process until everything is coated to your own satisfaction. You want it to be too big, so it depends on your choice. So did you see now it's forming. So so did you see now it's already coated, but let me still do it one or two times so that I will remove it and put another one so that everything I'll still go one more round. You can cut with. Okay, did you see how fresh it is? So that's it. So we're going to pour it out and continue the process. So did you see it? So let's go into the frying aspect of it. So look at everything here. So let's go into the frying section. Join me. Let's go. So um, I'm adding in the peanuts. So we are frying. So make sure that you are turning it so that it will not get burnt. So you stir it consistently. Consistently. You stir, you allow it to still cook. And remember, you will not fry it on a high heat. Just medium heat is okay. Okay, our peanuts is ready. So I'm going to scoop it out. As you can see now, it's browning. So if you like, you can still leave it to still be brown, too browny, but I think this color is okay. It's okay. So I'm going to add another batch. So I just added another batch of it. So I like to cook. So remember, you stir it so that it will not get burnt. So so let's also give it a little stir again. Remember, you stir, you allow it to cook. You allow it to cook for like 5 minutes, then you still stir it again and leave it. Okay, this one is all is done. So I'm scooping it out from the oil. Did you see? So let's add the final batch. The final batch. to add to so that that's finished. It's like mushroom. Uh, so as you can see, it's okay. This one is trying to over brown. Okay, I'm scooping it out, and that's the final batch. So this is our final batch. So and one thing about this peanut processing or this peanut making is that it doesn't need much oil. As you can see, it's this oil that I put at the first at the beginning. That's what I'm still using. I did not add any other oil, and the leftover is still much. You can even still use it to do as many batch as you can, so it doesn't absorb much oil. So little oil can serve it to do many peanuts as you can. So it's budget friendly and is a good idea of business. So we are done. Look at our yummy peanuts burger. Is it not yummy? It's yummy. It's yummy. You can give it a try. Make sure you try it at home and let me know what you think at the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. I want to see your opinion on these peanuts. Let me know what you feel. And as well, if you want me to make any snacks of your choice, just comment at the comment section so I'll help you and do the video. I'll make you and make it. I'll prepare it for you. Thank you for always staying with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, and as well share it. Give my video a thumb up so that YouTube will recognize it to other people. If you like what I'm doing, please support your girl. Thank you for always staying with me. Bye for now.